Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
This video will showcase how Logic ERP maintains lots or batches. For every firm, the lot or batch is highly important. Logic ERP, thus, offers a range of possibilities based on which a lot can be defined. We will talk about each one of them individually. Beginning with the default option, this feature allows users to manually define and save a specified lot. Let's now input a purchase voucher. Lot window pop-up will appear. Specify the lot number and other relevant details including quantity, prices, etc. Moving on to the next parameter, that allows to save the lot number as MRP. This means that the lot will be saved using the MRP specified for particular item. Let's create a new purchase entry. During the process of defining the lot number, we will input some random data. We will then proceed to enter the rates with the MRP defined as $12.99. After completing the entry, we will save the voucher. Upon modification of the entry to check the lot number, you will observe that the lot number has automatically updated as defined MRP that was $12.99. This automatic adjustment ensures consistency and alignment with pricing standards, enhancing accuracy in inventory management. Moving on to the next option, that allows to define the lot number as the basic rate. This functionality operates similarly to the MRP definition. We will now skip this option and move on to the next parameter, which enables the automatic generation of lot numbers for each item transacted. Let's explore how this option works. As you can see, a window has appeared for configuration. Define the lot prefix and specify the starting number for the series. Additionally, you will need to enter the quantity for the items involved. This setup will facilitate the automated generation of lot numbers for each transaction. Moving further, we have an option that allows for the definition of the lot number as a serial or mobile number. This particularly is useful in electronic business, where unique identification is essential for tracking and managing products effectively. For this, we also need to make a small change in Create Lot option as Maintain each PC's track, which we are going to discuss in upcoming videos in detail. Let's create a new voucher. While entering lot, you can observe that a window occurs where we need to enter the serial numbers. To do so, we need to define the lot number and quantity. After that, the PCs will be generated as shown below. Simply define the serial numbers and save it. Serial numbers can also be assigned against purchase later. Lastly, we have an option that automatically generates lot numbers by incrementing them with each transaction of the item. Let's see its working in purchase. Upon entering the item, the lot number is automatically assigned as 1. We will proceed to input additional packs accordingly. Let's save this information and proceed. As observed, the lot numbers have been successfully generated and incremented for each item.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.